My name is Dr. Muhammad Siddiqur Rahman, President of US Awami League. My name is Dr. Siddiqur Rahman, President of US Awami League, organized this demonstration against illegal, unconstitutional, unelected interim government head, Dr. Yunus, who last 13 months killed hundreds of Hindus and hundreds of houses are burnt to ashes. Children are killed brutally by his regime. Not only that, 3,500 police officers were brutally killed, and he passed an indemnity so that they cannot be put in justice. Not only that, every day thousands of everyday people are dying. There is no law and order of that country. He is against the independence of the country. He is selling this country before the Western countries. We will not allow to do that. We are here to protest his speech that you don't belong to Bangladesh. You belong to Pakistan. Go back to Pakistan. Jai Bangla, Jai Bangabandhu.